Fincare Small Finance Bank. This bank is offering up to 9.11% for fixed deposit, which is one of the highest interest rate compared to all other banks. So today in this video, we will be seeing fixed deposit interest rate and saving account interest rate. Without further ado, let's start the video. Let's start with fixed deposit interest rate. For a tenure of 7 days to 499 days, general public will get up to 3 to 7.50%. For senior citizens, the interest rate ranges between 3.6 to 8.1%. For 500 days, general public can get up to 8.11% and senior citizens 8.71%. Tenure of 501 day to 749 days, the interest rate ranges between 7.5 to 7.9 for general public and 8.1 to 8.5 for senior citizen. For deposits maturing between 750 days, general public will get 8.31%, senior citizens will get 8.91%. 751 days to 30 months, general public 7.9%, senior citizens 8.5%. 999 days to 30 months 1 day, 8% for general public, 8.6% for senior citizen. For a tenure of 1000 days, 8.51% for general public, 9.11% for senior citizens. Tenure of 1001 day to 36 months, general public will get 8% interest and senior citizens will get 8.6%. 36 months 1 day to 42 months, general public will get 8.25%, senior citizens 8.85%. 42 months to 59 months, 7.5 for general public, 8.1 for senior citizens. 59 month 1 day to 66 months, general public 8%, 8.6% for senior citizens. 66 months 1 day to 84 months, 7% for general public, 7.60% for senior citizens. These rates are effective 25th May 2023. Now let us look at saving account interest rate. For balance up to 1 lakh, this bank gives 4.11%, above 1 lakh and 5 lakh 6.11%, and above 5 lakh to 25 lakh this bank is offering 7.11%. If your question is whether it is safe to invest in Fincare Small Finance Bank or not, please watch this video. If you want to compare fixed deposit interest rate of Fincare Bank with other small finance bank, please check out this video. If you feel this information was helpful, then please leave a like and do share it with your friends. If you have any doubts, you can write us to yourschemes@gmail.com or you can leave a comment. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.